I've asked MOYU for some cubes and they arrived today, and we're just gonna look at these cubes. So we have the GTS3M, GTS3M Lite magnets, and we have the WeiPo WRM. So finally, I have gathered all the WRM puzzles. So welcome to the family. Let us look at this WeiPo WRM. Alright, let's get into the... Ooh, it looks very cool inside the box. So we have the cube, we have the accessory box, then we have this. Oh god. Here's the accessory box, and let's take a look what's inside. Oh yay, we have Lucas Eder and Mr. Chen. And we have spare magnets and screwdriver. The WRM is very light. The colors looks very good. It's the WRM shades. They are very vibrant, very nice. Right, the feel is very light and it has a good shiny plastic. So let's go on the first turns. The puzzle feels very tight and dry. I don't think MOYU has lubed the cube, so it's pretty tight, and yeah, it's quite tight. And I have a bit of problem with the magnets here. I hear some magnets problem. I'm not sure if it's the mechanism problem, but I don't think it's the magnet problem. Wait, let me... Yeah, I hear something weird, but I'll see what's going on later. This is very I'm not sure how to describe the feel when turning fast, because it feels quite weird, I would say. But turning slow is very smooth. It has the bump, a defined click. It's very nice. But turning quick, it has a weird feel, but it's not bad. Let's try corner cutting. Okay, that's not what I expected. Maybe it's just tight. Next we have the GTS3M. Alright, so we have the cube, and then we have the accessory box. Let's see what's inside the box. We have some, I believe this one is for tensioning, and we have some screwdriver, I believe, and some spare magnets and cards. We have this GTS3 in a good packaging. I quite like this box a lot. I use them to keep my cubes from damaging, so it's quite a nice box. Right, let's do first turns. We got corner twist there. Okay, I can feel the magnets are very strong. This is not the first time I tried this cube. I've tried it a couple times. The ridges doesn't really affect turning that much. It's quite nice. I don't mind it. The magnets are quite a bit strong, but I like strong magnets, so we'll see how it goes. the cube is very dry out of the box, and of course it's very loose because I think it's at the tension one, the spring compression one. So I'll definitely be setting this one up. It's very loud. Lastly, we have the LM. Packaging looks really cool. You can see the black and the gray matches very well. Alright. Same design on the inside, so I'm actually expected the LM to be better than the GTS3 because of its weaker magnets. That is much better when, you know, turning. That's ooh. This is way faster than the standard one. As you can see, this is so quick. This feel very nice. The magnets are weaker than the standard version, but actually stronger than the WRM. The WRM magnets are quite weak, which I don't like. So this one is mediocre, but it's very perfect. Ooh, this one, oh, this turns very nice. Yes, it is also very loud. So here is the standard one, and this one is the weak magnets. The standard one is kind of slower, maybe just because of setup problem, but the magnets are very strong. It's like double the magnets of this one. This one is weaker and faster. Probably because the tensions are looser, as you can see. Oh, wait. They're quite similar in tension. But out of the box, I like this light magnetic version more than this one. Probably because of speed. This one is a bit sluggish, but a bit of lube should help with the performance. Yeah. Thanks MOYU for sending these 3 cool cubes for me, and so yeah, very nice of them.